those fruits that are not good for the birds. So eating clay neutralizes the toxins. Okay, Ferrari number, would you like to come over here to check out your clay wall? Come on, right over here. 100 alien species, not birds. Please remember, hashtag crazy bird lady. Coming here, this is well done. If one can competitors like CK, they can be found in about 9 years old. So parrots. If you are one kid, so do we have Katie? Sorry, do we have CK? Let's see, we have CK, okay? Look, CK right there. Rooster right there. No, Buddha, that is not the rooster we are looking for. Okay, I believe you now, okay, very good. Okay, now by the way, everyone, this right here, they are Quincy and Amigo, masters of mimicry. So before Quincy here mimic some sounds, Quincy, can you welcome everyone? What Quincy said. Quincy welcome them. The very first cat. Cat? No, that's not the cat, okay. Quincy, one more time. How do you do the cat? There you go. Good job, Quincy. Okay, now let's do a high-tech sound this time. Quincy, how do you do the sound of the telephone? In the wild. So if they copy human sounds, they are basically doing what they hear around them. That's right. So in this case, Quincy and Amigo's family are the Mandai style. Yes, that's right as well. Okay, so now everyone, let's all watch Amigo in action. Okay, Amigo, let's start with something simple. How about a nice hello? Very nice and sweet hello. Now he can say his own name. So tell everyone here your name. All these nice people. How are you? So how are you all feeling today? To sing, and he is going to sing a birthday song. So by any chance, is there anyone celebrating your birthdays today? Raise up your hands and it's your birthday. Okay, I see one young lady, one young man as well. 3, 4. Okay, so many of you. How about this section? Any birthdays? Okay, I see you're celebrating your birthdays today. Ready, amigo? Let's sing. Yes, that's right. But hold on, everyone. One in a million. What you want is the cards. You can be a song of 3 toes up front with broad soles, and this helps them with the strength and stability to go up and down branches. Okay, Lee, now it's your turn to check. Okay, they are tongues. So hornbills, they have a short tongue, but these ones, they are very good at tossing fruits back into their mouth, and they are also angel flyers, which means they can catch prey in mid-flight. So 2 and 3. Thank you very much for doing the reward and survive hornbill and 3 and 0. Bye. Okay. Right, so great about hornbills like in Southeast Asia. Hornbill. So this is what happens in the wild. The female hornbill, she will inspect the nest cavity, and only if she likes it, then she will pop right in. Oh, look at there she goes. And right now, what happened to elephants are now happening to the marshlands of Kenya, Uganda, and